Hi, my name is Joanna. I'm a slow fashion designer, embroiderer and illustrator. In this episode, I will show you how to make zero-waste earrings from felt fabric scraps. If you have watched an episode about making Christmas earrings or patching a jacket, you've learned that I don't throw scraps away. I often use them in other projects. Let me tell you why the zero-waste approach is so important. 15 years ago, I was working as a designer in a fast fashion company and saw how much material is wasted in the traditional approach to creating clothes. I resigned from this job and started looking for alternative solutions. After several months of searching, I discovered the zero-waste fashion approach, which completely changed my way of thinking about creating clothes and accessories. There are many benefits that come from using zero-waste principles in fashion. One of them is the protection of natural resources that the production of clothes abuses so much. The second is to reduce water, air and soil pollution. I believe that each of us can benefit from implementing these principles in our lives and experience a sense of inner joy. In the description below, you will find some links to interesting materials on this topic. The inspiration for this episode is also abstract art in fashion. I have prepared a special board for you on Pinterest.com with wonderful examples. I believe the combination of colorful shapes and lines gives clothes and accessories dynamism and brings positive vibes to the style. You can find the link to the board in the description below. Abstract fashion is also a great way to express your personality through the language of clothes and accessories. Let's start creating. The list of necessary materials and tools is in the description. First step, match the pieces of felt in pairs. On one piece you will create a pattern and with the other you will cover the left side so that the earring looks professional and beautiful. On top, fit an additional piece that will create an abstract pattern with embroidery. Step 2. Choose 2 or 3 thread colors. You will learn more about color matching in embroidery design in my free course available on the channel. Step 3. Sew the piece on top with a simple basting stitch. Step 4. I use 2 stitches at this stage. I sew a few lines that overlap the pink triangle, and I add an irregular shape by sewing a stitch next to the stitch on this blue triangle. You can learn more about it in the lesson on 4 intuitive stitches in the free embroidery course on the channel. Step 5. Sew the 2 parts of the earring together using a basting stitch. I used the same technique that I showed in the episode about Christmas earrings. You can watch that on my channel. Now make a few thread loops so that you can hook the clasps to the earring. We're almost done. There's still one step left. Attach the silver ring to the loop and thread the hook on it. Creating without pressure gives a lot of joy and satisfaction. Use your imagination and play with different shapes and colors. There are no mistakes here, only creative experiments. As you can see in these examples, the world of abstract fashion offers unlimited possibilities. Making earrings from scraps takes little time and it's a great way to distress after a hard day. And the added benefit is that you also care for the environment. This simple tutorial is a great example of how you can get started on your personal journey and introduce a zero-waste approach to your creative process. You can share the zero-waste approach with your friends and give them a pair of earrings as a gift. I'm sure they will be impressed. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you for being part of a wonderful community of people who are not indifferent to the good of our planet. Stay creative and have fun!